Gold and silver traded bullish yesterday. We have seen gold hitting the highs at 2678 levels, while silver has also moved towards 3050. What to expect today? Big day today. We have the NFP data and the unemployment data coming in from US. That will definitely set the stage on fire, and we are going to see a massive volatility. That is what I expect. Which direction it's going to take, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver today, we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till gold on the hourly charts trading with the support from the 20 period moving average. And now you know, if you've not watched what is the importance of the moving average, that you can watch and understand from my educational video released few days back. And now see, this is the importance here. You can see 20 period moving average providing it a very good support, and with that as support, gold is trying to rise, gold is trying to bounce back. And now 2668 is one good support which it needs to break, below which 2664 and then 2658. If these three levels are taken, we can say that the bears are back, else it is trading bullish looking upwards. While on the upside, I will wait for it to break beyond 2676-78 zone, which is a critical resistance zone for gold. Stochastic rising, MACD almost flat here, and the RSI is flat. All the three are running flat, and thus this suggests that it requires gold to deliver a breakout move, which can take it either on the upside or on the down. On the 2 hour chart, similar observations, see bit of consolidation, one bullish move. I'll wait for the next breakout here. Thus about 2676-78 zone is where you can expect higher highs to get achieved. I will look forward to 2685 here, and on the downside now 2664 should be a good support. So this is the zone where we have to exercise extra caution today, and as long as it stays between this zone, we have to be watchful. Though you can initiate a buying entry at 2676 levels, but then you have to be cautious of 2680, 2685, beyond which sky is the limit. Gold might try to fly higher, and if you look at on the downside, the support levels are also pretty strong here. Also 20 period moving average providing it a very good support here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is almost flat. It is neither bullish nor bearish, trading with very little divergence here. Wait for a crossover. A crossover is the only confirmation of reversal here. RSI running flat. On the 3 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. If you draw a line here, you can find out the support levels. See, higher lows are consistently seen and higher highs are consistently seen. Also, even if it tries to drop here, you can see 20 period sitting at around 2660 should be a very good support. So below 2664, 2660, 58 should be an excellent support here for gold for the day. And remember, as I've shared several times, now 2650 and 2635 on the downside are two more critical support. Any drop below this is a clear sign of reversal, that is 2634, chances for which appears to be less here. Right now the stance is pretty much bullish, trading with divergence looking upwards. Stochastic looking upwards, the MACD is almost running flat without any divergence. The RSI is also at peak here. On the 4 hour charts, and on the 4 hour chart, similar observations. A bit of consolidation here was seen, then first bullish candle has appeared. I will wait and see if it delivers a second candle. Means if you see it is staying above 2676, that is the point of time we can initiate a buying entry. Be careful till towards 2680 and then towards 2685. If these two levels are taken, certainly you can say gold is delivering a breakout which can take it in fact towards 2700 or 2720 levels as well. Right now the moving averages are trading with divergence and are showing signs of bullishness here, but on the downside you have to also watch out if it delivers a breakout here, because see, once it breaks out here on the downside, this may deliver, this may lead to a greater down move as well. Stochastic flat, the MACD rising, the RSI rising here. Coming to daily. Now before we look into daily charts and I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel if you just want to trade as per the signals. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, on the daily charts, what has happened? Preceding three candles, certainly bullish candles here, and higher lows and higher highs are seen. Thus, if even if it stays with higher lows, 2658 should be an excellent support. On the downside, 5860 zones is something you should watch out for. What is happening? It has started on a bullish note, and now once it stays above 2680 and 85, you can look forward to a greater up move. Remember, now it is trading outside Bollinger bands, and thus it is the time for goal to or the price to exert pressure on the bands to expand like this, which means the move is definitely going to be outside the bands here. And this also suggests that it is going to be difficult for gold to sustain the up move. Even if it tries to hit 2700, there is a possibility of a movement again back towards 2685. Possibility is there. The stochastic back to overbought levels, the MACD rising here, that is again a very good sign, supportive sign for the bulls, and the RSI is also rising. Signs are still supportive for the bullishness here, but let's wait. It may deliver swings as well. So you have to be cautious with the swings. Largely, the trend may remain on the upside. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy 2676 levels. Expect 2680, 2685, 86 as the next. And if these two levels are taken, I'll be looking forward to 2700 levels. Though in 2692 levels are also one of the resistances, but largely I will be looking at 2700. So this is on the buy side. Beyond 2700, sky is the limit. 2720 levels can also be seen. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2668. Expect 2664 as the first target, 2660, 58 as the second. And if these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a down move which can take it towards 2650 and 48 zone, which is going to be an exceptional support for the day. Any drop below 2650, 48 is a sign of bearishness towards 2640, which is going to be the first support zone, and below that more bearishness should prevail. I do not see that happening. Yes, it can show you swings, but yes, these are markets below 2640. You can expect 2634, and if it breaks this, then we are looking forward to a crash here. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts. One important point here is the support it is created at $30 levels. Very, very crucial support now. And now, see, previously $30 levels, now 30.10. So it is, the support levels are increasing. Also, the resistances previously 30.40, now 30.50. So as long as it respects this zone here, we have to be careful with the sells. Ideally, I'll say that bearishness in silver is only and only if it trades below $30 level. As long as it respects 30, and in fact below 30 till 2980, I think we are going to see massive support here for silver on the downside. What is happening after the support here? It has seen a rise, bullishness getting diminished, it is trying to reverse. Now if you see silver, the lower price above 30.30, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect it to move towards 30.50 again, and 30.50, 30.60 is going to be the first resistance zone. If at all silver trades above 30.60, do not think of selling silver. It is heading towards 31. 3060 is the level beyond which you should not think of selling silver. Stochastic at the top here, the MACD crossing over for the buys, and RSI comfortable here. On the 2 hour charts, and on the 2 hour chart, similar observations. See, this could be forming a tail here, and then it can bounce back, moving towards 30, 40, 30, 50 zone. And at that point, possibly we will see how it behaves. And thus, as long as now 30.10 is not taken, I will not recommend you to sell. 30.10 means the higher price has to be below 30.10. In fact, let's make it $30 levels. Only bearishness today in silver is if it trades below $30 levels. That is what I will like to recommend here. And if you see the stochastic here is rising, the MACD here is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can confirm a reversal where we can look forward to a rise here. The RSI is comfortable, RSI is almost flat. On the 3 hour, we have similar observation. My only worry point is the double top it is forming and the double bottom. So yes, as long as it stays within the zone, I will be staying cautious with the trades in silver. Thus, a buying entry in silver is only and only if you see it is staying above 30.30, which means the lower price has to be above 30.30, and then you can initiate a buying entry. While on the downside below $30 levels is where we can initiate a sell. See, the moving averages here have crossed over, and these are trading with divergence. This is a very good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising. The MACD right now here is bearish on the 3 hour charts, looking downwards. The RSI is also looking downwards. That is also a slight bearish sign. On the 4 hour, we have similar observations. See, a stronger base is created. 20 period moving average acting as a base. Here, this is one caution point, diminishing bearishness, then one bounce back candle. And now the current candle is going to be decisive, which is going to decide the direction for silver. Remember, the bands have narrowed, and thus the move is going to be an extremely stronger one, which is going to consistently expand the bands here. And thus this zone is definitely critical, and that is why I say once it stays above 30.30, the lower price has to be above 30.30. You can initiate a buying entry there. Expect 30.50 and 30.60 as the first target levels. And at any point of time, silver is staying above 30.60. Definitely we are looking at 31. That is clear here. Stochastic rising. MACD right now trading with bearishness here. It is though the divergence I can see is very minimal, so it can cross over and again rise. But right now it is on the sell side. The RSI is also trying to look downwards. Coming to the daily. Now this is important to note on the daily chart. See, first of all, what has happened so far in silver here is it is respecting this channel, and higher lows are getting seen here. Second thing is I can see diminishing bullishness and one red candle has appeared. So now if silver trades any point of time today below 2980, I think that will lead to reversal. But a breakout here is what you should wait for, because see, it is delivering higher lows and it can give you a breakout here. Breaking beyond 3060 is where massive rise can be seen. Now why it could deliver a breakout? If you track the movement for silver for last few sessions, you can find out the drop, the retracement, the drop, and it is on the path of retracement. How far it could retrace? It can move towards this zone at 3150 or $32 level soon. But I can see a bit of hesitation here at the current levels by silver, and thus we have to be watchful. Today's day is going to be important where it can deliver a stronger move here. Stochastic at the top, the MACD. Now see, double bottom in the MACD and it is trading with divergence. This suggests that it can try to stay bullish. It can continue to look upwards, but we have to again watch out. RSI is rising as well. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy at 3030. When you see the lower price above 3030, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 3050, 3060. Now 3060 levels is going to be the most critical levels today. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to 31 directly, and in fact 31 25, 3150 can also be seen. Just watch out how it behaves at 3060 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at $30 levels, but then ideally it has to be below 2980. Below 2980 is where the bears will be taking over. As long as 2980 is not breached, we have to be careful with the sales. Below 2980, you can expect 2960, 2940, and if it breaks 2940, we are looking forward to a greater correction here. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.